Hello guys. So yesterday we seen the data binding. Now today we will look for the angular pipe. So if I come here and if I do the angular 9 pipe, this is an official websites. Yeah, see, transforming the data using pipe, right? Transforming the data means to the transformation, right? Transformation, generally we use the term for, suppose there is a one state, okay, now have another state, right? Now if you see, I'm transferring the state from black to the this orange, right? Yeah, right. So this is nothing but the transformation from one form to the another form. Then we use the angular pipe. We can transform the date, rupees, right? Text also lowercase to uppercase, uppercase to lowercase. In this scenario, we use the angular pipe. There are the date pipes, uppercase pipe, lowercase pipe, right? You can explore it yourself. I will take a few examples. Suppose I am taking the example of the date pipe. I remove everything. Now I will just add the expression, but in component what I will do, I will add a date and here of type date, right? And then I will initialize into the constructor this dot date equal to new date, guys, right? Okay, format the code. I'll shift F, save it and access this date into the template. Let's check the output. It's not started yet. Compile. Yeah, right. So this is the today's date, but this is not expected format, right? What I will do, I will use the pipe, date pipe, simple, right? It gives me good date. But if I want to some customize date format, like the date first, then month, and then year, then I will use dd mm and yy, right, guys? So it should give me the expected one, right? Yeah, I hope it's visible to you. Yeah, okay. The next we will see the uppercase or lowercase. Suppose this is the name of type string. Yeah, and I will initialize here this dot name equal to Avinash, okay? And I will use the same name into template. Now I will remove this. See, we'll see the original one is Avinash, right? Now what I have to do? I have to do uppercase, right? Good, right? You can do by yourself. There is a title case also, you can explore yourself. Yeah, because there is nothing to just copy and paste the one line of the code, even not one line, one word. You can explore here. Then yeah, you can go through here. Then today the important topics I would like to present, that is an observable. Yeah, it's important points. If you see, the observable means the producer. Observable means the producer, right? Suppose there is a factory, right? What the factory produce? It produce the products, right? But it, suppose there is a vehicle factory, it will produce the vehicle, right? if there is an medical factory, it will produce the medicine same way. But here observable means the producer. Okay, so producer should have consumer, that is a subscriber. Okay, okay, not difficult, producer and subscriber. Okay, so observable means producer. Let's see in Angular how we will use the observable and how we will use the observable and the producer. Okay, so now suppose if I am that sorry, okay, and suppose I am using that okay, fine guys. And suppose in the second subscribe, I want to subscribe the producer plus I will check the output first. Right, subscribe. There is in component.ts I will do the one factory which will produce something. Yeah, its type is observable from the rxjs package, and every factory will produce, see, observable, right? It's from the rxjs model. Every factory will produce something like medicine, vehicle. So suppose here it will produce the number. Okay, there should be one consumer. Suppose this is consumer, it will consume the number. If the factory is producing the number, so consumer will consume the number only, right? There is one constructor, guys. In constructor we use the initialization part. Suppose factory will produce is equal to yeah, for some interval it will produce the numbers for every 1000 millisecond, right? So it is producing the numbers with time interval 1000 millisecond. There will be some subscriber, yeah, so this subscriber will subscribe this dot consumer. This subscriber will subscribe or consume whenever the factory produce the numbers after every 1000 millisecond. So factory dot subscribe. Yeah, this factory is giving me a number, right? Okay, now subscriber is equal to n. Format the code. Oh, what's wrong here? Expected. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, so now this subscriber will subscribe this factory, and this factory will give me the number. Okay, I'm assigning this number, its number type, and this is the variable I'm assigning to the consumer. And now I will write here in expression type what is the consumer. Okay, this is consumer format. Yeah, and let's check here. Nothing is happening, right? So because I have to subscribe it, right? And for subscribe, I write the subscribing code into subscribe method. Okay, sorry, subscriber method. You can give name anything. Now guys, it should work. Yeah, see, if you see the output here, 1 2 3, observe here, every 1000 millisecond producer is producing and subscriber is subscribing. Yeah, this is about the observable. Don't bother much about this observable, where do we use and all. We will learn the gradually. Okay, right now I'm not interested to explain you in detail. We will see in later, and we are going to plan one Angular project also, so then your all doubts will be clear. Now just you make a habit of the practice, okay, and get used to with the Angular. So in next video we are going to see the pipe. The alternative for this observable is an, I forgot his name. Yeah, it's async pipe. So thank you guys.